Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to online class. Now I am going to teach for 6th standard. The topic is Algebra, exercise 7C. Listen children, give the answer for the following. See what number must be added to 5 to give 8. My sum is what? 8. And the addend one they are given 5. I am going to find the another addend that should be I am going to find out in this sum. Can you clear this? See what number must be added to 5. So I want to add some number. What number? So let the number be x I have taken. Listen. Let the number be x because I don't know that number, so I am taking that the number be x. You can take from A to Z whatever alphabet you can take. Here I am taking x. So let the number be x. So x plus 5 gives us nothing but what? Equal. Gives us what? Equal. So equal what you are getting? 8 you are getting. I don't know the number, so just I am taking it as to be what? X, and they are given in the question plus 5, so which is equal to what? 8. Here I am going to do that. Listen, x is equal to 8. See this plus 5, when I goes to the right hand side, it becomes what? Minus. The plus becomes minus. Minus when it's go equal to that side means it become plus. And multiplication when it goes to equal, division. And division when it goes to the equal side, it becomes what? Multiplication though. So the signs are changing here. So here the plus 5 becomes, when it moves to that side, it become what? Minus 5. So 8 minus 5, what is the answer? X is equal to 3. 8 minus 5 is what? 3. So x is equal to 3. Now finally I am going to write the answer. Listen. The number is 3. Can you understand? Can you understand? These type of questions they will ask in 2 mark. What is that? I don't know the number. What should be added to give the 8 with the 5? So what I have to do? Just I am going to make a equation like this. So not only we can take the x, whatever from A to Z you can take the alphabet. Here I am taking a x. So x plus 5 is equal to 8. Now x is equal to 8 is there just because I am going to find the value for x. So what I am doing, this plus 5 I am sending to the equation next. So for that what it becomes? Plus minus 5. So 8 minus 5, the answer is what? 3. Now the answer is what? 3. So what we have taken now? Finally I have written that answer. Can you clear this? Can you clear this children? Now I will move on to the second sum. What number must be subtracted from 15 to give 8? Give is what? Means equal. Give is what? Equal. Gives. So this is the answer. Answer is what? 8. So I don't know the number, but that number when I subtracted from 15, I can get the answer to be what? 8. So now I am going to write the solution for this. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. Just I am taking the number be what? X. So I don't know the number. So x, what number must be subtracted from x from 15 to give what? To give means what? Equal to 8. Is it clear? X from 15 is equal to 18. Normally, how can we do the subtraction? From after, what is the number that you have to write first? So, 15 minus x is equal to 8. Clear? See, from after what is there? 15 is there. So, this x what? It becomes a minus because I am doing this step to be what? Subtraction. So, what is that? X from 15. So, I can rearrange that into 15 minus x is equal to 8. Now, I am going to find the value for this x. So, what I am doing this? Minus x, just I am keeping as it is, and 8, this plus 15, when it comes to this side, it becomes what? Minus 15. Can you clear this? Minus x is there. See, in the previous sum, the x is a positive, but here negative. So, I am writing as it is minus x and 8, and this plus 15, when it comes to the equal that side, it becomes what? Minus 15. So, now you can simplify this. What is 8 minus 15? What is the answer for this? Minus 7 is the answer. Can you clear this? 8 minus 15, what is the answer? Minus 7. Here, minus and minus getting cancelled. So, x is equal to 7 because both the sides are minus. So, for that the two minus are getting cancelled, and what is my x value here? 7. Now, we are going to write the answer. The number is 7. Can you clear this, children? According to the question, just I am framing the equation and then I am solving this equation. Okay. Now, when I am coming for the C sum, from which number must 62 be subtracted to give 3? Obviously, I am going to take let the number be x. Let the number be x. Just according to the question, I am going to frame the equation. What is that? From which number must 6 be subtracted? 6 be subtracted. I don't know the number. I am assuming here x. Subtracted 6 means what? Minus 6. Can you understand this? Subtracted 6. So, what is that? Minus 6 to give. I already have said that to give is nothing but what? Equal. To give means what? Equal. So, 3. To give 3 they are given in the question. So, for that is equal to 3. Now, listen, I am going to find the value for what? X. So, x is equal to 3. This minus 6, when it goes to that equal, what it becomes? Plus 6. So, 3 plus 6. So, x is equal to 3 plus 6 is what? 9. So, my x value is here 9. Now, I am going to write the answer. What is the answer? The number is 9. Can you clear this, children? See, from which number? From which number? So, this number is a question mark for me. So, for that I have written here x and 6 be subtracted from that number. So, I have written this minus 6 to give. So, to give is what? Equal. And what is there? 3 is there. So, x minus 6 is equal to 3. So, x is equal to 3 minus 6. When it goes to that side, it becomes what? Plus 6. So, x is equal to 9. Can you clear this, children? Any doubt in this? Shall I move on to the next one? See, listen. What number must be multiplied? Multiplied. What number must be multiplied by 7 to give? Means what? Equal. To give 42. So, solve the solution. I don't know the number, but When it multiplied by 7, my answer is what? 42. So, let the number be. Let the number be x. What number must be multiplied? I don't know that number. So, x by here what? Multiplication. So, x into 7 is equal to 42. According to the question, just I frame the equation. I don't know the number, but when I multiple with 7, I can get the answer to be what? 42. So, here I am going to find the value for what? X. So, keep it that x. When it is in the multiplication, when it goes to the equation, what it becomes? Division. Multiplication sign is a change into what? Division sign, because it is moving to the equation after. So, for that it becomes what? Division. So, x is equal to 42 by 7. Listen, 7 ones are 7. 7 6 are 42. Got it? 7 ones are 7. 7 6 are 42. So, x is equal to what? 6. So, 6 sevens are 42. Clear? So, I am going to multiply 6 with 7, then I can get what? 42. So, the answer is, the number is, the number is 6. The number is what? 6. See, when you move for the e-sum, we have seen the example for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and this is what? Division. Listen, what number must be divided by 2? I don't know the number, but when I divide that by 2, I can get the answer to be what? 10. Can you clear this? I don't know the number, but when I divide that by 2, my answer is what? 10. To give is what? Equal to. So, here also write the, let the number be x. Let the number be x. So, listen. What number must be divided? So, a number, when I divide by 2, I can get the answer to be what? 10. According to the question, I frame the equation. A number, when I divide by 2, it gives what? 10. Clear, children? So, listen, what I have to find out the value for x. So, just you keep it that x alone, and see here the division by 2 is there. When it goes that side, what it becomes? Multiplication. So, 10 into 2. So, x is equal to what? 20. 10 2s are what, ma? 20. Got it? Now, I am going to write the answer. The number is 20. Clear this? Clear this? Can you clear this, Rakanna? So, like this, according to the question, I am going to frame the equation and then I am going to solve that. Any doubt in this? Shall I move on to the second one? See, first sum what we have seen, the same thing, only the thing we have to solve the equation. In the first sum, we frame the equation and then we solve it. But here they itself given the equation, only the thing you have to solve that. See, listen, I am going to find out the b value here. b plus 6 is equal to what? 13. So, b is equal to 13 minus 6. This plus 6, when it moves to what? Equal that side means it becomes what? Minus. So, 13 minus 6 is what? 7. 13 minus 6 is what? 7. So, b is equal to 7. See here, 20 plus w is equal to 28. So, w is equal to, just you have to send this 20 to the side. So, 28 minus 20, because the plus 20 when it moves this side, what it become? Minus 20. So W equal to 28 minus 20 is what is the answer? 8 is the answer. Can you clear this? See here, this minus 7 you have to move to this side. So x is equal to 2 minus 7, when it comes that side, what it become? Plus 7. So x is equal to what? 2 plus 7? 9. Next, 16 minus y, just you have to send this as 16 to this side. So minus y is equal to 5 plus 16. So when it moves that side, what it become? Minus 16. Can you clear this? Minus y, 5 is there. When I am sending the 16 to that equal means what it becomes? Minus 16 plus becomes what? Minus. So 5 minus 16. Then what is the answer for this? Minus 11. What is that? Minus 11. Both the sides are minus symbol is there. So I can cancel that 2 minus. So when it cancel means what is the answer? Y is equal to 11. Can you clear this? Just I am cancelling the 2 minus here. Now when I am coming for this, 8r is equal to 56. I am going to find out the r value here. So r is equal to, with r 8 multiplication, r is 8 with multiplication. So when it moves to this side, it becomes what? Division. Multiplication becomes division because it is going to the equal side. So for that, 56 divided by 8. I can cancel this. 8 ones are 8. 8 sevens are 56. Next, r is equal to 7. Next, d by 4 is equal to 5. See, I am going to find out the d value here. So for that, what I am doing? Just I am sending this 4 to that side. Division, it becomes what? Multiplication. So d is equal to 5 into 4. So 5 fours are 20. Can you clear this, children? So we have seen the example for addition, multiplication, division as well subtraction. So that's all, the exercise is over, children. We will see in the next class. Thank you, children.